It's thin and sparkly.
Ooh.
What's this? Nuktuk's Nova thread. Nuktuk collected before. Maybe then Jojo's ring made from Norabug thread. That's why they like the music.
What are you looking at, Nissa?
Yes, Timmy's help fix, please.
What are you doing? Oh, she's going to go grum.
Thank you. Now you Jojo try.
Yes. Works. Ridiculous. She's going out.
Well, that's for warmth. It's like, don't take the picture.
Yeah.
He probably needs to go in there.